Hi everybody, welcome back to Adonia Academy. This is Maria here and it's so good to see you all again. This week I'm going to show you how to make this all edible train engine topper. If you're new around here, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm a cake decorator from India and I upload new videos every week. So let's get started. When I was making this topper, I didn't have a template, but after I finished, I put together a template for you with all the parts. So use that. The link for the template is in the description box below. So using that, first cut out two thick black rectangles and glue them together. These will be marked as base 1 and base 2. Now roll out a thick cylinder out of red gum paste and wrap it around with a thin sheet of the same color just to make it look neat. I'm using homemade gum paste. The recipe has been added to the description box below. I highly recommend using this, especially if you live in a tropical country like mine. Now the disc which I made was slightly bigger, so I had to cut it. But you guys just follow the template. Next, cut out a thick black disc and paste it on the red cylinder. And then give detailing like so. I'm using a rubber pen, this tool which I really like. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy yours. Next, using edible glue, attach the cylinder to the base, leaving about 2-3 centimeters gap in front. Now I'm cutting the wheels of the engine. You actually need only 2 big ones. So cut out 2 big ones and 4 small ones. And again, give detailing. Next, cut out this shape with red gum paste for the front part of the engine. And stick it with edible glue. Now we need to cut out the walls. I'm using brown gum paste. Just follow the template. Everything is there in it. You need 2 rectangle ones and 1 wall which is like an arch. And the 4th wall, which I've not given a template because you can easily cut it out, is just a small square piece. Start sticking them one by one using edible glue. You need to be a little patient with this and may have to hold it in position for a few seconds so that the glue acts and the walls stick together. Do not use water like I always say. Use edible glue. The recipe is in the description box below. Once the walls are dry and sturdy, cut out the roof again using the template and stick it on. Arch the roof a little bit and make sure it is stuck to the 3 walls properly. Now I'm cutting out 2 thin ivory strips which I will later paint in gold. This is just extra detailing and is optional. Now attach the wheels. You need 4 small ones in front and 2 big ones. Use edible glue to attach. Now make the front chimney of the engine using black gum paste like so. Paint the ivory strips using edible gold dust mixed with alcohol or gold sheen airbrush color like I did. Now use a thick wire and bend it slightly and insert it into the chimney. This is for the smoke coming out of the engine. This is again optional. Using white gum paste and rolling them into balls and random teardrop shapes make the smoke. And ta-da! This cute little train engine topper is ready to chug along on your favorite cake. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and have a great week ahead. See you next time. Bye-bye.